in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Shady Rays discount codes on 2024. So this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to go to your web browser and search for Shady Ray discount code. Right here, you should be able to find this couponfollow.com website, which I recommend. And as you can see, we have a lot of options and promo codes that we can choose from. And for example, if I want to use this 10% off my next purchase, all I have to do is select your coupon code. And this is my discount code that I can use on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, we can go to this website, which is simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have other different promo codes that you can use. For example, if I want to get 30% of my next purchase, all I have to do is copy code right here, and this is my discount code, and I can use this promo code on my next purchase in order to get this discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.